Are you tired of scrubbing away at grease, grime, and stubborn stains? Want a powerful, chemical-free solution that gets the job done fast and effectively? Then stay tuned, because in this video, we're revealing the top 5 best handheld steam cleaners that'll make your cleaning routine a breeze. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Vivibyan Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Vivibyan Handheld Steam Cleaner offers a powerful and versatile solution for deep cleaning around the home. Utilizing high-pressure steam heated to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, 110 degrees, at 3.0 bar pressure, it delivers up to 12 minutes of continuous steam, effectively tackling grease, grime, and dirt from a wide range of surfaces. This steam cleaner harnesses the natural power of steam without any chemicals, making it a safe and eco-friendly option, especially suitable for households with children and pets. It also includes a pneumatic safety cap that remains locked during heating and under high pressure to prevent accidental opening, ensuring user safety during operation. Designed for convenience, the Vivibyan Steam Cleaner features a quick heat-up time of just 3 to 5 minutes after filling its 350 milliliter water tank. With an easy press trigger, users can release powerful steam on demand without any complicated setup or long waits. The compact handheld design and 9.8-foot power cord enhance portability, allowing effortless cleaning in small apartments, RVs, cars, and other spaces where maneuverability is important. The cleaner comes with an all-in-one set that includes 11 attachments such as nozzles, brushes, and fabric tools, enabling users to clean hard-to-reach corners, windows, upholstery, and more. Its multi-purpose capability means it can be used on stovetops, sinks, bathroom tiles, windows, mattresses, pet areas, toys, and car interiors. Whether cleaning fabric, hard surfaces, or tight spaces, the Vivibyan Handheld Steam Cleaner offers a chemical-free way to refresh and sanitize your living environment efficiently and effectively. Coming in at number 4, we have the DreamNature EM-320 Handheld Steam Cleaner. The DreamNature EM-320 Handheld Steam Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning device designed to make household chores easier and more efficient. Equipped with a high-pressure steam output of 3 bar, this steamer can spray steam up to 3.9 feet, providing ample reach to tackle various surfaces and tight spots around the home. Featuring a generous 15.2-ounce water tank, the EM-320 recommends filling up to 11.83 ounces to maintain optimal performance. The steamer heats quickly within 3 to 5 minutes, generating hot steam at 230 Fahrenheit, which lasts between 8 to 12 minutes per use, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. This handheld steamer is tailored for multi-purpose use. It excels in cleaning hard-to-reach areas such as floor gaps, sinks, windows, grout, tiles, fabric upholstery, sofas, kids' toys, kitchen stoves, BBQ grills, toilets, shower curtains, car seats, rims, and even wallpaper. This broad range of applications highlights its flexibility for everyday household needs. Designed with user convenience in mind, the EM-320 includes a continuous spray button that enables hands-free operation. This feature is especially beneficial for users with arthritis or limited hand mobility, allowing the steam button to be pressed and the spray locked in place for uninterrupted cleaning. The steam cleaner comes with an extensive accessory kit comprising 11 cleaning tools, including 2 nylon brushes and various attachments. These tools empower users to effectively address tough dirt and grime in corners and crevices that are typically difficult to clean. Importantly, the DreamNature EM-320 operates using only water to produce steam, ensuring a chemical-free cleaning process. This makes it a safe choice for households with children, seniors, pregnant individuals, and pets, providing peace of mind while maintaining a clean environment. Overall, the DreamNature EM-320 Handheld Steam Cleaner combines power, versatility, and safety, making it a practical addition to any home cleaning routine. At number 3, the Ticyack EM-316 Handheld Steam Cleaner. The The Ticyack EM-316 handheld steam cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle a wide range of household tasks with ease. Featuring an impressive 500-milliliter water tank, it heats rapidly within 3 to 5 minutes and produces continuous high-pressure steam at 230 degrees F for 10 to 15 minutes. This makes it ideal for efficiently removing dirt, grease, and dust from various surfaces around the home. Equipped with a comprehensive 16-piece accessory set, the EM-316 offers adaptability for cleaning in tight or hard-to-reach spots. Whether you need to freshen up the kitchen, bathroom, living room, car interiors, or even clothing and leather goods, this steam cleaner is designed to meet diverse cleaning needs. One of its notable features is the upgraded automatic steam function, which allows users to clean without the need to continuously apply manual pressure. This innovation reduces strain on the hands and makes the cleaning process more ergonomic and comfortable. Beyond its effective cleaning power, the Ticyack EM-316 embraces chemical-free technology, relying solely on the natural power of steam. This approach makes it a safer option for families with children, pets, or individuals sensitive to chemical cleaning products. Durability and user safety are prioritized with its construction from high-temperature resistant PP material, offering excellent heat insulation to minimize the risk of burns. The cleaner also boasts a long 16.4-foot power cord, providing flexibility and ease of movement throughout your cleaning tasks. In the second spot, we have the Phueut WHL-603 handheld steam cleaner. The Phueut WHL-603 handheld steam cleaner offers a powerful and efficient cleaning experience with its 1050-watt heating element, reaching a temperature of 230 Fahrenheit within just 3 to 5 minutes. This fast heat-up time enables continuous steam output for 8 to 12 minutes, making it ideal for tackling various household cleaning tasks with ease. Designed for versatility, the WHL-603 is suitable for use on a wide range of hard surfaces, including ceramic, marble, and sealed hardwood floors. It effectively cleans tiles, sinks, stoves, windows, sofas, toys, and even cars, making it a truly multi-purpose tool for any home environment. One of the standout features of this steam cleaner is its chemical-free operation. It relies solely on hot steam to sanitize and clean, ensuring no harmful fumes or residue are left behind. The inclusion of a child safety cap adds an extra layer of protection, making it a safe choice for families with children and pets. Portability is key with the WHL-603, thanks to its lightweight, handheld design and compact body. The 9.8-foot power cord provides sufficient reach to clean hard-to-access areas, and the ergonomic handle minimizes hand strain during longer cleaning sessions. The steam cleaner comes with a comprehensive 12-piece accessory set, including 4 round brushes and various attachments designed to meet different cleaning needs. This all-in-one kit allows users to deep clean multiple surfaces efficiently. Equipped with a large 350-milliliter water tank, recommended to be filled up to 280 milliliters for optimal performance, the device reduces the need for frequent refills. Users are advised to securely twist the safety cap without over-tightening to avoid damage to the rubber ring inside, ensuring a proper seal during use. In the event the cap becomes difficult to open after use, it is recommended to wait for the steam to cool down before attempting again, preventing any risk of scalding. Overall, the Phueut WHL-603 handheld steam cleaner combines power, safety, and convenience to deliver an effective cleaning solution for diverse household surfaces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Verosky WHL-618 handheld steam cleaner. The Verosky WHL-618 handheld steam cleaner is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool designed to make household chores easier and safer. Equipped with 1050 watts of steam power, it heats up quickly in just 3 minutes and produces pressurized steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. This high-temperature steam effectively eliminates 99.9% of smudges and dirt from a wide variety of hard surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals, relying solely on water for a natural and safe cleaning process. Safety is a key feature of this steam cleaner. It includes a safety lock on the handle and a safety cap to prevent accidental steam release, making it a reliable choice for homes with children and pets. This ensures peace of mind during cleaning sessions, reducing the risk of unintended contact with the hot steam. The Verosky WHL-618 comes with a versatile set of specialized tools, including a fabric steamer, window cleaner, extension hose, accessory nozzle, 2 round bristle brushes, an angle concentrator tool, measuring cup, and funnel. These attachments enable thorough cleaning across multiple areas, such as kitchen stoves, sinks, tiles, bathrooms, floors, windows, mirrors, toilets, curtains, pet mattresses, car seats, and upholstery. The wide range of tools makes it suitable for tackling different surfaces and grime types efficiently. Its handheld and lightweight design adds to the convenience, making it portable and easy to maneuver. With a generous 9.8-foot power cord, it offers extended reach and flexibility, allowing users to clean both indoors and outdoors with ease. The on-demand steam trigger gives precise control over the steam flow, enabling users to adjust the steam output as needed to handle stubborn spots or delicate materials. Overall, the Verosky WHL-618 handheld steam cleaner offers an effective, chemical-free cleaning solution with multifunctional attachments, safety features, and user-friendly operation designed to enhance cleanliness in any home or workspace.